Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can hide games in Steam. Um, and yeah, let's go ahead. First up, open Steam, and then Steam will verify if there is any update or verifying any installation. Once it verifies, it will open up. Now it's loading, and now Steam is opened. Alright, now go to store and find any games that you want to hide. You can search by category. You can just search in the search bar, as you can see from here. Alright, I will hide any free game. So let's say I want to hide macrovolts. Go to macrovolts and then click on add to library. As you can see, it now has been added to my library. Then go to your library, click on view, then library. Alright, now go to the game that you want to hide. So I'm gonna hide macrovolts recharged. Then go here and click on manage and then press on hide this game. Alright, let's hide this one and let's hide the nightmares. Go to any game you want and then go to the manage and then go to manage and click on hide this game. Alright, now Little Nightmares is hidden. Now how to view all your hidden games? Go to view and then press on hidden games. Now as you can see, Little Nightmares is here and Macrovolts is here. Now if you want to unhide them and bring them back to your library, your main library, go to manage and then go to manage again, then click on remove from hidden. Same thing, go to macrovolts, click manage and then remove from hidden. Right, now let's go to our main library, click on view and then library. Now if you looked up here, you will find macrovolts and Little Nightmares. Alright, and that was how to hide games in Steam and also how to unhide games in Steam.